to another video. I'm so happy that you're returning, or if you're new here, then welcome. My name's Naomi and I am so happy to meet you. So a lot of you have seen on my Instagram that I have updated my spare room and I have transformed it into a bit of like a woman cave, a bit of a beauty room. It's nothing like all of these beauty gurus have, you know, it's nothing like magnificent, but I'm really proud of it and it's took me all day. It probably doesn't look like that, but I had to move a lot of furniture in and out. I had to move things around. So a lot of you guys have asked to see it, so that's what we're going to do. That is what we are doing today. Okay, so we just have a door, pretty standard. This side of the makeup room is kind of like matte stuff. It's just got the hoover, the linen basket and my backdrop. Now a lot of you guys ask me about like what I use for my backdrop, and it's literally on a clothes rail and it's just a piece of fabric. Pretty simple. I'm hoping to get like a longer one in the future, but for now that's what we're using. And then if you go around, we just have the mirror and my disgusting back garden, ignore all of that. And then we have got, hello there, me in the mirror. Then we've just got like my makeup area, and I'll go through that in a bit more depth in a minute. But over this side, we just have a bit like a sofa bed. Well, it is a sofa bed. It pulls out into a sofa bed, but we just use it. It's a very, like, not very nice yellowy colour, so I've just put like a throw over it and some cushions. This was actually all nicely presented, and the dog has been in, my little pooch Poppy. She's been in, been laid on it, so she's practically destroyed it. But what I've found is whenever I'm doing my makeup, she likes to watch me do it. So this is just, it's staying here. We got this because we didn't want to put like a bed in our spare room. And we thought, well, a sofa bed is easier, you know, you can just pull it out and then put it back in. So that's why that is there, in case anyone wants to stay over. They've got somewhere to stay. But it's also good for, like, if I'm getting ready and one of my friends come over, they've got somewhere to sit as well. So, going back to the little beauty area, I have got, like, a big mirror, and this was actually from downstairs. I've pinched it from downstairs just until I get a new one. Then I've just got some like fairy lights just hanging about. Oh, Poppy's decided to pop her head in. So yeah, I've just got some fairy lights and they're just battery operated. Then in this little corner down here, I've just got like an old bedside table. Hence why there is like a grey cloth over it, because it's damaged, it's got marks all over it, but it does the job for now. So I've got my little, I don't know what you call it, like my little sign. My sister actually bought me that, and then I just added hello lovelies on it, just because you were all my lovelies. I've just got my wax kit, and I have got my straighteners, curlers and hairdryer. So I've just had a seat on my little stool, and I'm just going to go through things with you. Now, just because my makeup area has changed, my makeup hasn't as such. I've added like a few little bits and bobs, so I'll go through it, but I'm not going to go through everything like in massive detail, just because I've only recently done like a makeup collection, and there's only like a few added little bits, so I'll just mention them ones. So my brushes are all just the same, and they are just in some little pots from eBay, and then my beauty blenders are the same again, and then I've just got some moisturisers and primer. Now in here I have got an old ice cream tub. Little hack for you, little trick. once it's pushed back, you can't see it. So, you know, makes no difference to me. So I've just got like my bronzers, my highlighters, powders in there. There's some blushes, just things like that. I'm not going to go into too much detail because, you know, I've went through it all before. Then moving over, I've just got a little vanity mirror, and you can just turn it on and off. And I've just got my little Pandora ring around there. I don't really wear like a lot of jewellery, so I don't really have like a jewellery setup or anything. I've just got some makeup wipes behind there, and then moving on to like concealers and foundations in this little pot. Again, this is like a Tupperware dish that I've just took the lid off and used. It's clear, it's glass, so we're going to use it. So I've just got some concealers and contour kit from Primark. I've got some Primark foundation, some MAC foundation, some Rimmel. What have I got? This is Maybelline. I've got Clinique, Estee Lauder, Revolution, but this is in like a darker shade, and I use this for like contour. Then I've just got some concealers. I've just got the Revolution one, and I have got the Maybelline one. And then I've just got like some little photos of me and Matt that we got when we were on a night out. So yeah. Then I have just got like a little gemstone. My mum gave me this, and it's meant to bring like positivity. So that's just sitting there. And then in here I've just got an old glass, like an old whiskey glass. It's Matt's, and it's basically about Game of Thrones. It says all men must serve. So yeah, but it just fit in there really nicely. So all that's in there is like brow products. I've just got the Primark one. I've got an eyeliner from the Body Shop, the Tattoo Brow, some mascaras. This is from the Avon. I've got like my little eyebrow wand thing with a spoolie on. I've got the Tattoo Brow that you peel off. I've been loving this lately. Some more mascaras. And yeah, so that is what is in there. And then I've just got my lipsticks. So I've got MAC. What's this one? Rimmel, Primark, Maybelline. You get the gist. There's a few different lipsticks in there, and then these I actually bought them off eBay, and I've used them twice, and both times they made my lips turn out like an absolute bruise. So definitely would not recommend trying to make your lips bigger with these. They hurt your lips, they make them all bruised, and I definitely will not be using them again, but they're just in there for yeah. Then I've got another little mirror here with like a small little ring light, and this lights up as well. Then I've just got some perfumes. I've got 2 Jimmy shoes, and then recently I got sent some eyelashes. Now if you have been on my channel a while, you will know that me and eyelashes do not go together. However, I was lucky enough to get sent some eyelashes from We Love Lashes. So they've sent me the Fox Minx lashes, they sent me the Allure lashes, and the Wispsbees lashes. They also sent me the red cherry lashes as well, but I've got them on. I know, I'm going to show you them in a moment. They also sent me the eyelash glue that you need to put eyelashes on with, and the little tool, and this has made it a lot easier to like pop eyelashes on with. And then I've just got my eyelash curlers. So yeah, again, this is just in like a Tupperware dish. So yeah, that is everything that is kind of on top. And there's me again, don't mind me. Hello. And like I say, I've just got some fairy lights, and in the top drawer I have got some scissors, just because you never know. And I've been trimming like my eyelashes because I've got small eyelashes. I have got the Elemis Superfood Berry Boost Mask, which I got gifted, and I've done a review on this, so if you want to know what it's like, then there I'll leave the link for the video in the description below. I've just got my eyeshadow palettes just because I didn't have anywhere to put them like on top. I have got some micellar water, I've got some like mousse, some toner, dry shampoo, hairspray, hairbrush, things like that. Nothing major. Yeah, that is my little overview of my beauty room. Okay, so I've just previously said about like some eyelashes, and as you can see, I've got them on now. I did have to cut them because I've got small eyes, but they were pretty easy to get on. It only took me 2 attempts, which if you watched my other video, you will know that that is absolutely magnificent for me. So they are called We Love Lashes. You know, this video isn't sponsored or anything like that. I'm just letting you guys know. But yeah, they were lovely. So these are the eyelashes that I got sent, and these are in the red cherry. Now, moving on to the question of the day, is from Martina Maguire, and she asked, have you ever had your teeth whitened? No. 1, I'm a student and I can't afford all of that money and all of that stuff. And 2, I'm too scared. I just think, what if it goes wrong and I end up with even yellower teeth? So no, I haven't had my teeth whitened, but I do use the whitening toothpaste, just to try and give them like a bit of a boost. I've said this a couple of times now. I've been quit smoking 2 years, but I smoked for a long period prior to that. So my teeth are a little bit damaged from it. You know, I get like some stains and stuff on them. So I do try and use the whitening toothpaste, but I've never had my teeth professionally whitened. Thanks so much for your question, I really appreciate it. If you would like a chance for a shout out in the next video, then all you've got to do is in the comments below leave me hashtag question of the day and then a question that you would like answering, and it is that simple. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ta-ra!